Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about UPSC Recruitment 2021. If you want to read about the recruitment details, you can check the links from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for UPSC Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information at one place itself. Don't forget to join us to Telegram as you will be getting regular job updates. Link will be provided in the description box. Union Public Service Commission has opened its vacancy for the post of Assistant Engineer. Now, for whichever post that I am going to be telling, this is for experienced candidates especially. So, if you are having any sort of relevant field experience, you all can head over and apply to the Union Public Service Commission if you are interested to. Heading over to the details from the official notification, the recruitment is scheduled to the online applications. So you have to apply online for the post of Assistant Engineer, Naval Quality Assurance, Electrical, Directorate of Quality Assurance, Naval. Now there are two vacancies for under this Ministry of Defence, and the pay scale is going to be level 7 according to the pay matrix level of 7 CPC. Age given is 30 years. The essential qualifications required is your degree in engineering in the respective fields, which is electrical or electronics from a recognized university. Experience considered is for 2 years, and desirable will be if you're having knowledge in computer operation, purpose of preparation, technical reports, and the qualifications which are related to the Union Public Service Commission in recorded in writing or anything which is regarding to the post qualification in the relevant field. You will be giving your first preference. The duties are as follows. You will be responsible for the quality assurance and liaison and defect investigation, trials, etc. And next, the headquarters is going to be in New Delhi. Any other conditions you have to be posting for the new contributory pension scheme, so that you have to please take note of. The next one is the vacancies for an assistant engineer for naval quality assurance, mechanical, Directorate of Quality Assurance, Naval, and for this the pay scale is going to be level 7, and the education requirement is a degree in engineering, in mechanical engineering. Experience 2 years is preferred, and the desirable would be if you are having knowledge in computer operation, for technical reports, technical briefs, etc. And the duties are given here. Headquarters again it's in New Delhi. And the next one is for a civil hydraulic officer. And here the age limit given is 30 years. Education is for an engineering and civil. Experience is required for 2 years. Desirable would be if you having a certificate or a diploma in a foreign language. Preferably if you have French language, then you are eligible to apply. And then the next one is 9 vacancies for the post of Junior Technical Officer. And for this, pay scale is going to be level 10. Age 35 is the bar, and education requirement is a bachelor's degree in mechanical or electrical or electronics or communication or marine or naval or any architectural departments or industrial engineering. 3 years of experience is required for this post, and desirable would be if you are having 1 year of experience in dockyard or shipyard. The next is for the vacancy of the principal for Civil Hydraulic Officer Integrated Headquarters, and the age bar given is 35. Education is in degree in civil or computer science engineering or master's degree in mathematics. 3 years of experience is required. Heading over to the next, having 7 vacancies for an assistant engineer, and for this they are asking for the education of a bachelor's in engineering and relevant field experience for this particular post as well. Likewise, you have the post of an assistant survey officer, and the next is for stores officer. You should have 2 years of relevant experience in the particular field. Minimum 2 years of experience is required to whichever position that you are applying to. Now you can see the important dates that you have to note down. The closing date for the submission of the online application is going to be 14th of October, and the last date for the printing of completely submitted online application is 15th of October 2021. Once you submit your application, make sure that you are printing it out and keeping it. It would be required for the further confirmations. And lastly, for the date of the interview on which shortlisted candidates will be further proceeded for the interview, make sure you are taking your application and all of the relevant original documents when you are attending the interview. Next is for the PWD categories. So whoever is belonging to PWD or reservation categories, you should take relevant certificates, and if you are willing to apply online, you can visit this particular website and you can start applying. Age bar limit or age relaxation is given 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, and make sure that you are attaching all the relevant documents necessary. The headquarters is going to be in regards to the post anywhere in India, and prohibition, according to the rules, the prohibition period is going to be given. The instructions or the eligibility for citizenship is candidate must be a citizen of India, subject of Nepal, Bhutan, Tibetan refugee, and the age limit given according to the post, you can check the age limit. Essential qualifications, make sure you are fulfilling all of the essential qualifications, and then you have to proceed to apply, and only then you will be further shortlisted. Next is the qualifying marks that is taken into consideration. For OBC it's 45, SC, ST, PWD it is 40, and in case for the recruitment followed by the interview, after that interview only the appointment will be made. Application fees is ₹25, and SC, ST, PWD and women candidates need not pay any sort of application fees. Upper age limit is given for ex-servicemen also according to the service which you have been rendered. And next is the headquarters list is given here. Age relaxation for the government employees also will be applicable. Next is for PWD category candidates, and next is you have to apply through online by visiting the website given and upload all of the relevant documents in the given file size, and print your application form because you have to take that to the interview. All the instructions are given here, so you can check it through the link which is provided in the description box. Same notification will be open. Subscribe and thank you for watching.